Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Lines. I am Nina. Thank you for listening today. Please relax, take a deep breath, and enjoy this time with me. Today, we will talk about a warm and lovely topic. Our topic is family time during holidays. This is a very important topic for many people around the world. I will speak slowly and clearly. You can listen, repeat, and enjoy the story. Holidays are special days. They are days when we stop working. They are days when children do not go to school. They are days when families can spend time together. For many people, holidays mean rest, love, and family. Family time means time with people we love. It means time with our parents. It means time with our children. It means time with our brothers and sisters. It can also mean time with grandparents, cousins, and close relatives. During holidays, families often come together. Some families live in the same house. Other families live far away. Holidays are a good time to visit each other. People travel by car, train, bus, or plane. When families meet, they often smile and hug. They say, hello. They say, I missed you. They feel happy to see each other again. These small moments are very important. Many families like to eat together during holidays. Food is a big part of family time. Some families cook at home. Some families go to restaurants. Some families do both. When people cook together, they talk and laugh. They cut vegetables, they cook rice, they make soup. Children sometimes help in the kitchen. Family meals are not only about food. They are about sharing stories. They are about listening to each other. They are about feeling close and safe. During holidays, families often talk about many things. They talk about work. They talk about school. They talk about life. They talk about plans for the future. Grandparents often tell stories. They talk about the past. They talk about when they were young. Children like these stories. They learn about their family history. Holidays are also a time for rest. Families wake up late. They do not rush. They enjoy slow mornings. They drink tea or coffee together. Some families watch TV together. They watch movies, they watch shows, they watch holiday programs. They sit on the sofa and relax. Other families like to go outside. They go to parks, they go to the beach, they go to the mountains. They enjoy fresh air and nature. Playing games is also popular during holidays. Families play board games, they play card games, they play simple games. Everyone laughs and has fun. For children, holidays are very exciting. They do not go to school. They can play more. They can stay up late. They feel free and happy. Parents enjoy holidays too. They have more time with their children. They can listen to them. They can play with them. They can understand them better. Sometimes families travel during holidays. They visit new places. They see new things. They take photos together. They make new memories. Traveling together can be fun. It can also be tiring, but families learn to help each other. They learn to be patient. They learn to work as a team. Holidays are also a time for traditions. Every family has traditions. Some traditions are big. Some traditions are small. All traditions are special. Some families decorate their homes. They clean the house, they put up lights, they add flowers. The home feels warm and welcoming. Some families give gifts. The gifts do not need to be expensive. They can be simple. They can be handmade. The meaning is more important than the price. Giving gifts shows love. It shows care. It shows that we think about each other. A small gift can bring a big smile. Holidays are not always perfect. Sometimes families have problems. Sometimes people feel tired or stressed. This is normal. Every family is different. During holidays, it is important to be kind. It is important to listen. It is important to forgive. It is important to stay calm. Family time is about being together. It is not about being perfect. It is about trying. It is about love. It is about connection. For some people, holidays can feel lonely. Not everyone has family close by. Not everyone can travel. This can be hard. In these times, friends can feel like family. A phone call can help. A message can help. A small act of kindness can help. Holidays remind us of what's important. They remind us of love. They remind us of people. They remind us to slow down. Let's talk about simple holiday moments. A shared meal, a warm smile, a quiet talk at night. These moments stay in our hearts. Family time helps us feel safe. It helps us feel strong. It helps us feel supported. It gives us energy for the future. When holidays end, life becomes busy again. People go back to work, children go back to school, but the memories stay with us. We can think about these memories on hard days. They can make us smile. They can make us feel calm. They can make us feel hopeful. You can also create family time on normal days. You do not need a holiday. You can eat together. You can talk together. You can laugh together. Family time is a gift. It is free. It is powerful. It is important. Now, let's practice some simple listening. Listen and repeat in your mind. I enjoy family time during holidays. I enjoy family time during holidays. We eat together and talk. We eat together and talk. Holidays make me feel happy and calm. Holidays make me feel happy and calm. Very good. You are doing great. Thank you for spending this time with me. Thank you for learning English with Daily English Lines. Keep listening, keep practicing, keep enjoying English. See you in the next episode. Goodbye and take care.